Welcome to a Basement Wall Pro video. In this short video, I will discuss the importance of applying a scratch coat of cement to the wall before the final coat. Let's hop right in. We use thin set for our scratch coat because this material is extremely sticky and will not crack. When parging basement walls, the scratch coat is the most important because it's the layer that's responsible for sticking to the damaged wall, or else the newly cemented walls will crack and peel. Also, the first or scratch coat begins the leveling process of an uneven wall. Scratching the first coat allows for the second coat to stick to the first coat. We use a 5-inch notch trowel to apply and scratch the cement. Same tool and materials for installing tile. We have used this tried and true process for our basement wall projects for many years and received no complaints. Once a week we feature a different aspect of cementing basement walls. So please subscribe to our channel and also like and share this video. Thank you.